Did you know that some of the best cars and SUVs on the market today combine stunning performance, incredible fuel efficiency, and cutting-edge technology? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the top models that excel in key areas like performance and power, comfort and space, and luxury design. We'll also highlight the latest safety features and explain which vehicles offer the best value for money. Stick around till the end to discover which one could be your next dream car. Welcome to Rev Rage. If you're passionate about cars, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. 1. Subaru Forester. First on our list is the Subaru Forester, a popular choice among seniors for several good reasons. Its elevated seating position makes getting in and out easy, while the large windows and excellent visibility reduce blind spots, a crucial safety feature. What really sets the Forester apart is Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features help reduce stress on the road and give seniors an extra layer of safety. Its spacious interior and smooth ride also make it comfortable for long drives or trips with the grandkids. Why it's great for seniors: easy access, superior visibility, and advanced safety tech. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is another SUV that's practically built with seniors in mind. With its reliable reputation and affordable price point, the CR-V is a perfect mix of practicality and comfort. Seniors will appreciate the CR-V's magic seat system, which allows for flexible cargo storage. The flat floor makes loading groceries or mobility aids much simpler. Honda's sensing suite of safety features includes road departure mitigation and collision warning with braking, reducing potential accidents. The low step-in height and large doors make entering and exiting the vehicle effortless. Why it's great for seniors: spacious interior, low step-in, and flexible cargo space. 3. Toyota Highlander. For those looking for something a bit larger, the Toyota Highlander is a dependable SUV that's perfect for seniors who often have passengers or need to transport more. The Highlander offers a power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, which is crucial for anyone dealing with back pain or other health issues. It also comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including automatic high beams, lane departure alerts, and dynamic radar cruise control, which makes highway driving easier. The ride quality is smooth and quiet, ensuring seniors can enjoy a comfortable, stress-free driving experience. Why it's great for seniors: adjustable seating, spacious design, and advanced driver aids. 4. Kia Soul. If you prefer something smaller yet still easy to handle, the Kia Soul is a great option. Its boxy design gives it a quirky look, but more importantly, it offers plenty of headroom and excellent visibility. The compact size makes parking in tight spaces easier, yet it still offers a roomy interior for both driver and passengers. The Kia Soul's touchscreen infotainment system is easy to use and supports both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, keeping seniors connected without being overwhelmed by complicated tech. The controls are straightforward and within easy reach, making it a user-friendly option for older drivers. Why it's great for seniors: compact, easy-to-use tech, and excellent visibility. 5. Ford Escape. The Ford Escape stands out as one of the most senior-friendly SUVs thanks to its well-designed cabin and host of driver assist features. The Ford Copilot 360 system includes blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features help older drivers stay safe and confident on the road. The Escape offers a comfortable, quiet ride with a power liftgate for easy loading of groceries or luggage. Its seating is supportive, and the higher ride height ensures seniors don't have to crouch down or climb up to get in. The Escape also has available hybrid options for those who are eco-conscious or want to save on fuel costs. Why it's great for seniors: safety features, easy-to-use tech, and comfortable entry. 6. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox is designed to make life simpler for seniors. Its IntelliBeam headlights, which automatically switch between high and low beams, help seniors avoid eye strain during nighttime driving. Plus, the car's safety assist package includes automatic braking, lane keeping assist, and a rear vision camera, offering peace of mind to older drivers. The Equinox has large, comfortable seats and a user-friendly infotainment system that doesn't overwhelm with too many features. Additionally, it's a fuel-efficient SUV, helping seniors save on costs in the long run. Why it's great for seniors: automatic headlights, clear controls, and efficient fuel consumption. 7. Toyota Camry. For those who prefer sedan, the Toyota Camry is an excellent option. It offers a perfect blend of comfort, reliability, and ease of use. The Camry's wide, supportive seats and 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat make it ideal for seniors who need flexibility for comfortable driving. Its low step-in height makes it easy to get in and out, and the large windows provide great visibility. Toyota's Safety Sense package includes pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, and a pre-collision system that provides an extra layer of security, especially in busy traffic areas. Why it's great for seniors: comfortable seating, excellent visibility, and safety tech. 8. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is perfect for seniors who enjoy a bit of adventure but still want a reliable, easy-to-drive vehicle. The Outback offers standard all-wheel drive, which is great for seniors living in areas with inclement weather, as it provides extra traction on slippery roads. Inside, the Outback features a quiet cabin with a high seating position, giving drivers excellent visibility. The EyeSight safety system ensures extra security with features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning, helping seniors maintain control and confidence on longer drives. Why it's great for seniors: all-wheel drive, high visibility, and robust safety features. 9. Honda Odyssey. For seniors who frequently drive family members or need extra cargo space, the Honda Odyssey minivan is an excellent choice. Known for its versatility and comfort, the Odyssey offers magic sliding seats that make the second row easy to access for seniors with mobility challenges. With Honda's suite of safety features and an in-cabin camera, seniors can easily monitor rear-seat passengers or cargo. It's also great for longer trips, thanks to its smooth ride, spacious interior, and the latest infotainment technology. Why it's great for seniors: roomy, easy access, and family-friendly tech. 10. Hyundai Santa Fe. The Hyundai Santa Fe delivers an ideal combination of space, safety, and comfort for senior drivers. With features like a power-adjustable driver's seat and a well-laid-out dashboard, seniors will find the Santa Fe intuitive and easy to operate. Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite includes rear cross-traffic alerts, blind spot collision avoidance assist, and a rear-view camera that enhances overall awareness, making driving in tight spaces much easier. The Santa Fe also offers a quiet ride, which many older drivers will appreciate on longer journeys. Why it's great for seniors: easy-to-use controls, ample safety features, and quiet driving experience. 11. Chrysler Pacifica. If you're looking for another minivan option, the Chrysler Pacifica stands out as a top pick. The Pacifica comes with Style-N-Go seating, which allows the second and third rows to fold flat into the floor, creating a spacious cargo area for groceries, wheelchairs, or mobility aids. For seniors who want an easy driving experience, the Pacifica includes adaptive cruise control, parking assistance, and even an available hybrid model. The Pacifica's Uconnect infotainment system is straightforward and can be operated via voice commands, which is ideal for seniors who want to keep their eyes on the road. Why it's great for seniors: flexible seating, easy-to-use tech, and hybrid efficiency. 12. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is another compact SUV that seniors will find easy to drive and comfortable to own. The Rogue's zero-gravity seats provide excellent lumbar support, reducing fatigue during longer trips. Plus, its 360-degree camera system gives a bird's-eye view when parking, making it much simpler to navigate tight spaces. Nissan's ProPilot Assist system includes stop-and-go adaptive cruise control and steering assist, which significantly reduces the stress of driving on busy highways or during rush hour. The Rogue is fuel-efficient, affordable, and a smart choice for seniors looking for a hassle-free driving experience. Why it's great for seniors: lumbar support, advanced camera system, and stress-free driving tech. 13. Buick Encore GX. Finally, the Buick Encore GX rounds out our list as a compact luxury SUV perfect for senior drivers. The Encore GX offers a smooth, quiet ride, and its hands-free liftgate makes loading and unloading groceries a breeze. The driver's seat memory function is particularly helpful, allowing seniors to set their ideal driving position with ease. Buick's suite of driver assistance features includes lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a head-up display that projects critical information onto the windshield, reducing the need for seniors to take their eyes off the road. Why it's great for seniors: memory seating, hands-free liftgate, and head-up display. That wraps up our list of the 13 best cars and SUVs for seniors. Each of these vehicles is designed with comfort, ease of use, and safety in mind, ensuring that seniors can enjoy a worry-free driving experience. Whether you're looking for something compact and fuel-efficient or spacious and family-friendly, there's a car or SUV on this list that can meet your needs.